Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our heavy-duty waterproof Starlink Mini Mobile Internet Kit Case. It's designed to safely hold everything you'll need to transport your Starlink Mini with an included rechargeable power supply. This case is designed to be a complete internet solution both in the field or on the go. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The case will hold the Starlink wall plug power supply, the DC power cable, an Ethernet cable, the Starlink Mini pipe mount inserted at an angle into the case as shown, the kickstand mount, the included power bank, the power bank's wall charger and car charger, and an accessory area. On top, the Starlink Mini Dish. With our innovative design and included power bank, you can power your Starlink Mini for up to 4.5 hours or more. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a soft, convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. This case is perfect for powering your Starlink in the field or even at home if the power is out. Remember, anyone can sell a generic case and make you do all the difficult customization on your own. Only Case Club pre-cuts the interior specifically for the Starlink Mini with an included battery for a professional look and unmatched protection. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.